Is a Bali Catspace on your radar as a liveaboard catamaran? Well, if it's not, I think you should really consider it, because no other catamaran in the 40-foot range is going to give you what a Bali can give you. So let's go and have a look around at the features and aspects. First of all, we have the barn door that's exclusive to Bali's, and it opens up the whole of the boat and gives you this amazing view, and it's class lead in terms of the space on the interior of the boat. That's number one. Number two, full-size fridge freezer, another exclusive really to Bali. You don't have to bend down to below the cupboards to get to the fridge and freezer space. Number three, the open design. From the galley, we move through to the saloon and out onto the transom, and it's all on one level. It makes you feel connected with nature. The air flows through the boat. It's a great, great living space. Number four, Helm Station. All lines are led back to the cockpit. Throttle controls, winches, everything is in one place. You have a sunshade over you, and then you have a full 360-degree view. Number five, Flybridge seating area. No other 40-foot catamaran is going to give you this. Imagine sitting here with your cocktails, sun going down, enjoying the atmosphere. This is a fantastic space. Bow area. This space is utilised really nicely. Trampolines are actually uncomfortable, but you've got a nice area to sit here in the afternoon. Cool breeze over the decks. Great use of space again. So to summarise, I think the Bali Catspace is fantastic value for money. This one's a 2022 model. It's owned by a very experienced sailor, which shows throughout the boat. It's just been reduced at the moment. It's going to hit the MLS in a few days at $499. That's incredible value for money for the space that you're getting in this catamaran. So I will put the details in the comments below. Check it out. There's a Matterport scan coming for it as well. And this boat really needs serious consideration. Thanks for watching.